YouTube, as you guys can probably see behind me, I'm at probably the craziest meet that I've been to so far. We at the 7-Eleven. They closed down the whole 7-Eleven just for the meet. So let me walk around and show y'all a little bit of the cars that we got sitting around here. Got the steel rail. This is crazy. Bag with the Lambo doors is insane. This shit is on the floor, bro. This shit. What? This like wrap or chain or whatever is just this shit is on the floor, bro. Tucked. Fast and Furious right now, dude. Fast boys just pulled up. That's it. Great start. That tire, bro. Damn, that scared the fuck out of me. Yeah. That shit is loud as hell. Jeez, bro. They got the convertible joint. Jesus. We got over here 2 Evos. This Supra wrap is insane. This is actually crazy. On the tire. Carbon. This carbon is hard. This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I missed it, bruh. GTR spitting flames. Feel the heat, bro. Got people coming in. Supra, GT3. Oh my God, it's so loud. Bulls. Liberty Walk, Supra that we saw in the event. That shit is fucking sexy. This shit is actually insane, bro. Like, this thing is packed as it can be. And we still got dumb cars. That was loud as hell. I don't even know what that was. That sounds like pistol. Like, there's so much going on. There's so much going on around here, bro. I don't even know where to.
Get back on the floor, catch a balance, then drop.
The hood exit? Hard as fuck. Alright, y'all. I officially feel old, bro. This little kid, maybe in his teens or whatever, stepped on my foot, turned around, looked at me, and said, "Oh, sorry, sir." Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You never gotta make me feel old like that. Where the boys go? Oh, there go Didi. Sir. Boy, Dave. Sir. The new rap is crazy in person, I'm not gonna lie. Motherfucker is standing on the bird. Bro, no shot. Somebody hit this dude's Corvette and left. No. Look, the dudes in the trucks.
Yeah.
Who was them?
Nah, they took off, but everybody got the information.
Oh.
I think. I don't
No,
know,
no,
bro.
it's
It
a
was a
great
silver
truck.
truck, like a new one too. So he's probably gonna get a Z06, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, a newer truck.
Yeah, it was a newer truck.
Just gotta get some drive-offs. And then, but I still got all these cars to go before I can even leave, bro. What the? Oh shit! I can't. Jesus Christ, I can't hear shit right now. Can't take it no more. I'm tired. That's enough for me. I think that's enough for me, y'all. I'm in the car. My ears are fried. I can't hear. I still gotta wait for all these cars to leave before I can even start mine up. But I think I'm just chilling in the whip because, boy, I'm whooped. And I got my 9 to 5 tomorrow. So if y'all like the video, like and subscribe. Yeah, peace.